In the previous videos, we showed you how to create Google Ads and Google Analytics accounts. Now it's time to show you how to link these accounts. A comprehensive overview of the performance of your ads and visitor activity on your site may sound like a necessary but time-consuming task. However, you only need a few clicks to link the created Google accounts and they will take care of the statistics for you. The first step is to log into your Google Ads account. Click on the Tools section, then find Linked Accounts. Once you clicked on the linked accounts, find Google Analytics and click on the Details. In this part, you can see all of your stores. By clicking on a link button, you will link them. Now you have linked your Google Ads and Google Analytics account. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe or watch the next video.